So here's my biggest issue. Here's the high voltage power coming from the inverter, going to the goes to the battery through some terminals in the motor control unit. So this is the one from the 2012 I-MIEV. This is coming from the MCU. This is the one from the 2013 I-MIEV. So it's actually coming out the inverter, and then this is the end that goes into the MCU. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it here, and then I'm going to connect it to the old connector, which I've pulled right out of the inside of the MCU. I'm just going to leave those terminals connected temporarily, and I'm just going to hook it up and make sure it works. So that is going to go in right there.